Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how we can replace an ink in a printer. My printer is a wireless HP printer, color LaserJet Pro MFP M282 NW. Okay, that's the printer that I have here. It has the touchscreen interface here that we can use to navigate in the settings and all that. The ink that we use for this printer, it's 206A. That's the HP LaserJet ink. We have a couple of inks here that we're going to replace it. Before you replace the ink, you have to check the supplies. I will going to show you how we can check which inks are low in the printer. So first you go into the start screen here, go into the menu, and then in the menu you scroll through and you see the supplies here. Click on supplies and then you'll see it will give you all the inks there. But if you want to find out exactly how much percentage is remaining in the ink, you have to click that report here. Click report and the printer will print out the ink report and shows you how much inks are left in its cartridges. This is the report that I printed out, and you'll see here that the percentage here. I changed the black cartridge yesterday, so it's 90% full, but you see the other 3 cartridges are very low. But today I bought only 2 inks that I'm going to replace for now, the yellow one and the blue one. So that's the 2 inks that I'm going to replace, and you can just do the same to change any of the inks. But firstly, we have to take out our inks. So these are the inks. So this is the yellow one. You see the yellow here, it's a yellow ink. So I'll just remove the package. Once you remove the package, you'll see there we are. There's the cartridge here. So there's the first one. The second one, that's the blue one here. So the blue one, I'm going to get rid of it. Okay. So that's the blue one. So blue one over here. Now I have to open this. This is the yellow one. Take these things off. Okay, first one down. Got the second one also. Just take this thing off. Okay. Now we're going to insert our inks into the printer. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. You see the front, that's where you're going to pull it out and you're going to insert the ink in there. Gently just hold on this side. Just pull this down, pull it down. Okay, down. Okay, after you pull it down, then you will have to press down this button gently. Press it down, and then you pull it out. Gently pull it out. Gently pull it out. Okay, after you pull it out, then you'll see these are all the cartridges that are already in the printer. These are the used ones, so we're going to remove them and replace with the new ones. And you see on the corner here, you see that this is yellow. It indicates that cartridge is the yellow cartridge. This is the blue one, and that one is the black one, the last one. This one is the black one. You'll see this handle here, that small handle here. You just hold on to this one and you lift it up. So first we're going to lift the yellow one. Just lift it up gently. Pull it out gently and just lift it up like this. Okay, lift it up like this. This is the most sensitive part here. This part here is the most sensitive part, so make sure not to touch that area. So just lift it up like that. Okay, then we're going to insert our yellow ones. So you see this part here, again, don't touch it. It's the sensitive part here, so just lift it up again. And you'll see, you just turn it over and you see there's a yellow shining yellow corner on there. Then you have to put align that yellow corner on your right side according to those color there, and just slot it in there, and it will just fit right in. That's it. That's it. You're done. Okay, we can move on to the second one, the blue one. Again, the blue one, you see the ink is there. You just don't have to do anything. Just have to lift it up. Oh, firstly, we have to remove this one. Sorry. Okay, just hold on to this corner here. Just lift it up gently. Okay, lift it up. It's done. Turn it around and put it down. I mean, again, don't touch on this side. Don't touch on this side. Just hold on it up like this again, and then gently put it in. Slot it in. Gently slot it in. Gently slot it in. And there we go. And then all you have to do is to, push it back in. So push it back in slowly. That's it. When you hear that click sound, it's already inserted correctly. So you just have to close the lid. And then you just wait for it to initialize and calibrate these new inks that you have put it in. We just wait for the printer to recognize those newly inserted inks and to register them in the system and prepare those inks to be used. So we just have to wait. It will take a few minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, these old ones, you have to take them to the retail outlet that you bought them. You bought those ones and take a recycle. It's already done now, so we can just go and check the supplies again. And you see the supplies. So we just print the report. Now you see the report here. The report, this is already up to 100%. 100%. This one we did not change. Later we're going to change this one. Yeah, that's it.